In this video, I'm going to show you how you can connect Zapier to Base44. The first thing you need to do is open your project in Base44. I'll open mine here as an example. Once you have it open, go to Zapier. On the left side of your Zapier dashboard, click on App Connections. Next, click on Add Connection. In the search bar, type Base44, then select it and click Add Connection. A window will appear asking for your Base44 API key. To find your API key, go back to Base44. In the top left corner, click on the Base44 icon, then choose Settings. From here, click on Account and you'll see your API key listed. You can copy it or regenerate a new one if needed. Just keep in mind that this key gives access to your workspace, so make sure to keep it private. Once you've copied your API key, go back to Zapier and paste it into the field. Then click Yes, continue to Base44. After a moment, you'll see a confirmation that your Base44 account is successfully connected to Zapier. And that's it. That's how you can connect Zapier to Base44 using your API key. If you found this tutorial helpful, consider subscribing for more Base44 and automation tutorials.